Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Style News Network. Now, if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some gorgeous black hairstyle ideas that you can rock out this season. So if you've been finding yourself stuck in a hair rut, get ready because these hairstyles are definitely going to shake things up. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the looks spotted within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest black hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's jump right into today's video. All right, so we have someone here with some braids. Looks like she's getting her hair chopped off. Stylist ends up doing this super cute pixie style. Lots of curls mixed in here, and it does feature some bangs in the front. And then we move into a crew cuts transformation. So it looks like she's getting a cut refresh here. Ooh! So he ended up cutting the hair, giving a nice little cut refresh with some color. Beautiful, bold ginger. This is absolutely breathtaking with her complexion. Oh, she looks stunning. And since we are now officially in the fall season, y'all already know ginger copper tones. Very popular. We're going to see a ton of hues in that red family. So if you've ever been wanting to dye your hair, this is definitely the season to do so. So there she is getting her makeup done, full on makeover. And she's got those nice, bold red frames. I love all the colors she's rocking here. Beautiful blue dress, ginger colored hair. Oh, and then go her man to pick her up. He like, yeah, baby, you looking good. I love it. I love to see it. So here we move into the next transformation. So she starts off with hair around shoulder length. Looks like she's got some matting going here. So you know what that means. When you got hair that's matting like that, you gotta cut it. So we can really see the damage here. So the stylist is starting to cut. She's getting out those big matted pieces. Now, luckily for this client, pixies are in because she can go super short and get a nice little cute style. There we go. Look at the color combination here. Blonde mixed with brown. Very short pixie style. Oh, I love this color combo. Such a cute little look. And I bet you she's going to get used to having that short hair. That is going to be her new thing. Because it's kind of like once you go short, you want to keep your short style, you know? You want to stay there for a while and just enjoy being short. It's a lot of freedom in it. So the stylist said, don't even worry about getting braids. So moving on to the next hairstyle. So she's got some grown out color here. Oh, another short pixie cut. So cute. Does have a little bit of an asymmetrical shape here. Lots of curls mixed in. And then we have another crew cut transformation. So she also looks like she got some matted hair here. Thinning edges. Oh, okay. So he installed some hair here. Oh, this is hot. Oh, wow. I really like this like burgundy color he did with this pixie. Nice little asymmetrical shape. Okay, so we can kind of see the topper going there. Oh yeah, that color combo. Burgundy with the black. Very pretty. Gorgeous makeover. And I really like the way they did her makeup too. Very natural hues. Super cute. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed taking a look at all of today's hairstyles. Oh, her man went to go pick her up. Okay, so these men are picking up their women to get their hair done. I love it. If you guys enjoyed this one, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.